Hey guys, so this is how you're going to add your social links and social media icons to your Wix website. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Wix website editor and then click on add elements right here. Once you're on your add element section, just head over to the social section and then click on social bar or your share buttons. You can find your social media icons from the social bar. Now you can just choose on any of these links right here, any designs right here. You can choose this, or maybe if you want something more minimalist, you can also just use these icons right here. Now you're going to drag it over to your page so you can add it. If, for example, I only want to add my YouTube link, I'm just going to head over to my YouTube channel and then copy my link address and then head back to my Wix website editor. And then from here, just click on set social links. If, for example, you don't have Instagram or TikTok, here's what you're going to do to delete them so that you will have a more organized social links. So first, let's clean this up a little bit. If I don't have an Instagram page, I can just remove that by clicking on this remove image right here. Let's say I don't have a Twitter as well. Let's say that I only have my YouTube and I only want to share this social link right here. What we're going to do is to just click on this icon. You can also replace this icon if you want. And then you can do an alternative text right here. You can change the title of your icon. And then from here, you can just click on this link and then you can paste your web address right here. So you can see here, I have my channel tag. Now after that, we can choose whether you can open it or when your audience clicks it, it opens to a new window, or you can also choose that the current window is replaced and it will take them to your YouTube page. Just choose anything that you want from here and then click on done. Now, after that, you can also add icons. And maybe if you deleted something by mistake, you can just click on add icons right here if you want to add it back again. And once you're done and satisfied, you can just click on done. So this is how you're going to add an icon. You can just choose here any of the icons. Maybe if you didn't find it from the available icons earlier, you can also add a Discord and anything. You can basically add all of the icons that are available right here. And then once you're done and satisfied, just hit on done. If you think that it looks good and your link works, you can try it out in the preview. And if you think that it's good, you can just hit on publish and save your changes. And that is how you add a social link to your Wix website.